All right, well, you know what? We're focusing right now on our first real winter storm heading our way of this winter season.
And this is going to be significant, Jason.
It is, yeah. And I mean, some people are excited, other people are just hunkering in.
Yeah.
I mean, either way, shake it. I mean, mid-February, and this is our first legit snowfall. So nice to see it. We need the moisture, and you can see it floating around up there in the sky. We've got a swell of snow that has pushed its way into the state. But let's talk about some factors that are working against this. Looks like heavy snow, but you look at where our temperatures and dew points are right now. The air we have out there is very dry. Yellow is the temperature, green is the dew point. Need these numbers to converge a little bit before we'll see much fall. We've seen some fall in Creston southwestward towards Clarinda, and you can see that moisture value is increasing because that snow's falling into the air and evaporating. So this is what it looks like out there near Red Oak right now along Highway 34. Some of those roads partially covered. We don't have that on the map just now, but you can see it on those roadside cameras. So as we look across the states, again, that snow is going to continue to push in, and it's going to have to overcome that dry layer of air at the surface before we start to see that fall for some areas like Stewart, the Metro, and down through Osceola as well. But there is quite a bit of moisture that we're working with here. There's more that's going to be surging its way in from the southwest, and this is going to be with us for much of the day tomorrow. You look at the visibility in some of the spots where that snow's falling. Creston down to 1.5 miles, St. Joe's to 1.7 miles, 4 miles for Clarinda. So there will be visibility impacts as this moves through, and we'll see the winds kick up a little bit to go along with that. But it looks like a ton on radar right now. It's just not yet, as we're trying to eat away at some of that drier air. So heading into the overnight, you can see that swell of snow continue 6 o'clock in the morning. We got a chance to already have a couple inches down. So that morning commute likely going to be a little slick. And as we work our way in towards the afternoon and evening hours, the snowfall rates will start to taper off a little bit. And I do think we're going to have quite a few slick spots during your evening commute, but the heaviest snow at that point will be behind us, and then the cold settles in. Air temperatures, single digits below zero. Areas to the northwest, you got chances to see 15, 20 degree below zero wind chills as we head through your Thursday morning there. So you look at where the heaviest is going to fall. We've got a pretty wide swath of 6 to 8 inches. Metro, Ottumwa, Osceola, eastward towards Knoxville, Pella area, and even Cedar Rapids. You get further to the northwest though, and that's going to taper back a bit. So areas like Spencer and even Okoboji will see quite a bit less snow. As we look at this in time here, 3 o'clock in the morning, already an inch down for many of us, and we start to build that by 6 o'clock to around 2.7 inches. Notice the winds, still some chance we could see some light blowing snow, but as we work our way in towards the evening commute, 3 p.m., bulk of our snow has already fallen. So hopefully those plows are out there going hard. Thank you guys for doing the great job that you do, because we've got even more snow on the way. Friday into Saturday we'll have potential. Could pick up another few inches of snow out of that. After that, even more cold is on the way. We're in the single digits below zero Sunday and Monday morning. We'll have more coming up after this break.